Cause y'all, I got a lot of forehead to be burning if it was gonna get burnt. You know what I mean? All right, guys. So I was deciding if I was gonna do a voiceover or just we just gonna go for it, baby. We gonna go for it. So hopping into this video. Girl, aren't you forgetting something? Hi guys, it's your girl being Natasha Nicole here. I'm so sorry I didn't do no intro. My bad. Welcome back, peeps. For all my newbies, welcome. If you've never been here, we're all about God glowing and growing. So if you want to glow and grow too and experience God, then you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button. My bad. Didn't do no intro. I'm sorry. Y'all know it ain't nothing but love. Now to the video. So I made this wig probably about a month ago now. It was with some hair that I had sitting around my house for a very long time, and I was like, I need to make this wig. So I finally did, like 9 months later. So I made the wig and I've been wearing it. I'll have to say, out of the past month or so, I say I wore it at least 3 weeks. At least 3 weeks. So I've just been like, whatever. But anyway, so this is the wig I made. This was with the WINGIRL hair. This is with WINGIRL bundles and a closure. It was a 4x4 closure, 3 bundles, and it was in the lengths 22, 2018 and a 16-inch closure. So this is freshly washed hair. I just barely straightened her just a little bit. And of course, it's just the inside. I did attach a elastic band because I like that in my wigs. And yeah, so I also wanted to go ahead and tell you about a few products that I have been loving lately as well, especially when it comes to installing my hair. So first off, let me say, what I've been finding myself gravitating towards is this Cream of Nature Argan Oil Snot. This is very similar to my not my Gorilla Snot Gel that I really love. But the only thing is about the Gorilla Snot Gel that it does have alcohol. This, however, does not have alcohol, but it will leave a buildup in your hair if you use too much of it. So just be mindful of that. But I use that just to slick my hair back and, you know, put my wig cap or whatever on. So this works perfect for that. And I haven't had a chance to try it out during the summer, so I don't know how well it's going to hold up during the summer like my Gorilla Snot Gel. So you may see me back and forth between the two, but as of wintertime right now, this is a beast. I'm loving this. Also, my wig cabinet, mentioned it before, but this is just a wig cap with a wig grip. If you watch previous videos, you've seen where I just had just a wig grip where I would put the stocking cap on and then put the wig grip on top. Essentially, this is the same thing. It's just that this cap and this wig grip is actually made together, so it's very convenient. You can find it on Amazon. I make sure to try to leave a link down below. I think they're about $22 to $24 or so, but it is so worth it. Like, I've had this one and I've been wearing it all the time lately and love it. Another product is the Ebin Lace Tint. I've been using mine in the light warm brown. This is awesome. I have already sprayed the closure part of my wig, but this is just really easy. It's a lot better than kind of using the Ruby Kiss cream foundation. I find that that can be a little bit too much sometimes, and this just kind of gives me just enough tint to where it will melt and look like my skin, because as you know, we're only doing like this part of our head and we got plenty of forehead here. So we just need a little bit of something, but I've been finding myself loving these lace tints. I like making my wigs. I have been making my wigs now for 10 plus years, baby, like non-stop. But I just like making them because they fit my head better. I can't, it's just better. I don't know. But I do, you know, still wear my wigs that are already made too, but if I had to choose, baby, I'm gonna make my own wig. And lately I've just been wearing the middle part, and I straighten the hair out. I've been wearing my hair, wearing this hair curly, and it holds a curl like none other. but I've been wearing it curled sometime. But I've been doing flexi rods, y'all. Like, I have never been able to flexi rod my hair before, but lately, I don't know what's been going on. Your girl been able to flexi rod her hair. I don't even know if I told y'all, but I did spray a little bit of that Eben lace tint onto my wig grip underneath as well, so that you know, it won't be so harsh. But I will put makeup on my part too once I'm done. All right, so another product that I have been using has been just some regular old school back in the day pressing oil. You do have to be mindful of how much of this that you use, because it can get a little greasy. I feel like it's a little bit better than a wax stick, honestly, but you just have to be careful because you can see the shine on it. You just have to use a little bit, and it's like melting with your hand anyway, so just be careful and mindful of how much you use. And then I take just a little bit of the pressing oil and put just a tad bit in the front, not a lot, very, very little. Very little. Just enough to kind of get that back some more. And I like to do this before I adhere my wig, because I feel like I can pull my wig up and so I don't have to worry about burning myself. Cause y'all, I got a lot of forehead to be burning if it was gonna get burnt, you know what I mean? So now that we have it somewhat straightened out, go ahead and pull out our baby hairs. I just been doing 2 baby hairs on the side, just my regular schmegular. I like it like that. So now that you have your baby hairs out the way, take a little more pressing oil just right on the very front, where you know your baby hairs are now going to be. You're now going to straighten that. Just kind of push that back. Next thing I like to do is to kind of, well, another product. Let's talk about the next product, shall we? Next product I've been loving has been the Eben Wonder Lace Bond Sprays. These are like lit. You know, I've always been a got to be glued spray kind of girl, but these are lit. Let me tell you, they're good. I think I like these because they're a little bit thicker and don't run as much as the got to be glue spray, but I've been loving this one. And I also have the well, they come in the original, the active, and I believe I know there's a black one, and I believe that one's kind of like heavy duty for like when you really want your wig to stay on multiple days. But for the daily, because I do take my wigs off every night, on the daily I use this one because it's just easier to come off. They do only come off with just a little bit of water, so easy to clean up. This is great for beginners. So I like to kind of pull this back. Sometimes if you have on makeup, you would kind of want to clean off your forehead, but I don't do all that. I'm sorry, I had to delete some footage on my camera. But anyway, the last thing I think y'all seen, I was just literally just spraying a little bit of this Eben spray, and then I just laid my lace down on top of it. It hasn't even all the way dried yet. So now that we have it down, I like to then take a little bit more spray and just spray just a few squirts kind of in the lace, because this will kind of help it mold. And it's like, once I do this the first time, I don't have to keep doing this every day. I literally just throw it back on the next day. The next product that I've really been loving has been the Shine and Jam setting mousse. I really love this mousse for doing my baby hairs. It is bomb. It's super thick, and it just doesn't, it don't move. It just doesn't run as much. And I've been loving a mousse versus like a setting lotion kind of thing. I ain't been liking it. Then I put it into the hair as well, and that kind of helps that. Do your little baby hairs. Swoop-de-doop-de-doop. Just swoop them over. But this gives you time to work. So if you've been having trouble with your baby hairs, try this setting mousse instead. Works really well. And I'll take my elastic band. And tie my hair up. And if you notice, I'm only tying like the very end portion of the wig down. So just a quick review on this hair. I don't have anything really bad to say about this hair. This hair has not been shedding. Of course you get like your regular typical shedding, but nothing outrageous. It holds a curl really well. The hair is super soft. I have not had the chance to dye the hair jet black yet, so I haven't dyed my hair. You know, I like black hair because my hair is jet black. So this is still just the natural color of the hair, which is kind of like a soft brown color. I may not dye it. I don't know. I'm not, it hasn't bothered me too much like some of them have. Some of them are a lot more sandier, but this hair has been bomb. I've been using the Wigs and Extension collection from Design Essentials. I've been using this as well as the, what is this one? This one's the Finishing Thermal Serum. I can't talk. And this one is the Finishing Shine Spray. I haven't used all of it, actually like wasted out. But I've been using just a little bit of this because, you know, I like my hair to have a little bit of a shine. 2 or 3 pumps is usually all you need. And I kind of put that more towards the end of the hair. And this is really good. So right before you're about to flat iron and all that, it's just good to put on the hair. And I just, and once I straighten it, I probably don't have to, I know I don't have to straighten it anymore for probably a few days. It stays pretty bone straight, and the fact that I take it off every night has a lot to do with it. So it doesn't crinkle up too, so take that into account. But whew, this hair straightens out so well, and this was body wave hair. But yeah, overall I have no complaints on this hair. And when I make my wigs, another reason why I like to make them, when I make them on a dome cap. You know, some people don't care, some people are okay with that and don't want, you know, they're not as breathable as like some wigs that kind of have like the holes in them. To me, that doesn't matter. Summertime, wintertime, a wig is a wig. It don't matter to me. It's not that big of a factor. So my wigs, they last. I still have wigs that I have made like 7, 8 years ago, and nothing's wrong with them besides maybe the hair, if I, you know, whatever. As you can see, this is the hair, baby. That's literally all I do. And sometimes I bobby pin my wigs down on the sides, but for the most part I really don't care. But yes, this is the hair, and that's literally all you have to do. And you only have to mold your baby hairs and stuff like whenever you wash it. Whenever it's time to take it off, I literally spray a little bit of water here, and I put this up under here, and I just move it all the way around up underneath on both sides to make sure it ain't tugging or anything. I do that on both sides, and then I'm good. Like, it's good to go. For the most part, it is blended. Put a little something on our scalp, in our part here. I'm just using my concealer in the color Fawn, and that just kind of makes all that do what it's supposed to do. So yeah, that's literally it. But overall, I have nothing bad to say about this hair. This hair has been lit. Like, I love it. It's been wintertime, and it's long, and it's sleek, and it has been holding the curl like none other. So not mad at it. It doesn't tangle. I haven't been getting a lot of shedding. It isn't napping up in the back. I love this hair. I will have this wig for a very long time. Very long time. But anyway, I just want to come and give y'all a little update and show y'all a few items that I have been loving to install my wigs as well as just kind of show y'all how I install my lace closure wigs that I had been making. That's all it is to it, ladies. Like, it's nothing to put on your wig. Like, nothing at all. Like, as long as you got the right products and you know how to use them, that's all that matters. So yeah, this is all we're doing for today. We're not even gonna have on any makeup in this video because I'm trying to just be natural. You know what I mean? Just kind of natural and cute, witty. Yeah, I hope y'all find this video helpful. Hopefully you'll see a few products that maybe you want to try or incorporate into your wig routine. And yeah, so I'm gonna stop rambling. That's it for this video. Hope you guys really enjoyed, and I will see y'all in the next one.